Hello guys, today we will be talking about SaaS business from scratch turn-wise timeline. So we will be discussing the complete timeline, how SaaS product can be built and what problems they faces and how to solve them and how exactly SaaS product works. So first stage is these are the stages. So first stage is problem discovery. You have to discover the real problem which people are facing, and you have to validate that. So identify the recurring pain, the pain the people are facing, specific user groups. You have to find the target audience properly. No product, only conversation. So do not start building the product in the early stage. So start conversation, talk with the people and understand the proper problem. So goal is the problem is real or not. Second stage is validation. So will user pay? If you solve that problem, if you make a platform for this, or if you make the products for this, will user pay for that? You have to confirm before implementing your project or product. Okay, so now pre-orders, pilots and strong intent. So this is a validation phase where you can take the pre-orders, or you if you are building a SaaS product, then you can take the early access from the users. So you can confirm how many users are actually interested, and they are they can pay or not. Okay, so money is real pain. So goal, demand, confirmation. Okay, the next stage is MVP build. So now you have to build your minimal viable product and smallest usable solution. So you have to work on the one core problem, one core solution, one core workflow. So you have to focus on one thing that is the real problem in the market. Okay, so no scalability focus at this moment, and solve the core problem, one user and workflow. Early access and feedback. Now people give you the feedback after your MVP building. Then you have to work on those feedbacks, start implementing. Then after you will get more feedbacks, start implementing. Then you will get more feedback and start implementing, and then you will get the market fit product. Okay, so user complaints, that is a data for you. Fix core issues that are user complaining about, and ignore feature noise. Do not add too many features and which has no core problem. Okay, so goal, improve usefulness. So the fifth is product market fit signals. You have to watch to the signals that product is market fit or not. So repeat uses, if people are returning to the product after every use, or they are talking about your product too much, so that means your product is market fit. So repeat uses, lower churn, or organic referrals. People are talking about this product and they are giving referral that you can also use. So that means your product is market fit now. So goal is retention and pull. You have to pull as much as people. Okay, so now growth system, marketing channels. So you can growth by marketing channels or onboarding and pricing support systems. Goal is a scalable growth. So you have to grow your product. Most SaaS fail, they because they skip validation. This is a very important stage. You have to validate your problem first before implementing, because many founders say that I have worked a lot of months for this startup and it didn't work and I failed. You do not have to work a lot, because you have to first validate your problem, then you can just move to the building phase. You do not have starting with the building phase. Okay, so they overbuild MVP, they add too many features, and it does not have the core problem, core features. So it will, how you can sell this? So it should have the perfect problem. Okay, so ignore users. Do not have to ignore users. You have to look at the feedbacks of the users, and you have to work on that. Okay, so they quit early, so it is a long process. You do not have to quit early, and you have to work as long as possible, and until you find the product market fit. Okay, so the core truth is SaaS takes years, not months. What I was discussing. And mental endurance is greater than coding skills, definitely. And distribution is greater than features, yes. Because if you have if you have features, but it will not work if people are not using. So you have to distribute it properly. So distribution is very important, selling is very important. So this is in depth.